This real leather belt in crocodile texture is now available at Mender Leather Factory. We are manufacturer of authentic real leather products since 1989 and are specialized in real leather. This leather belt is prepared in cow skin and has crocodile texture on it with branded buckle. We are exporting since 1989 and it's a very unique product only available at Mender, and you can visit our factory outlet to purchase this or place an online order. And a very durable single skin cutting, very durable belt. If you are a collector of leather products, or if you want to collect, if you like to collect luxury products, and I think this is the right one for you. In the same crocodile texture, we also have another very stylish and decent buckle. So this is rusty golden buckle in crocodile belt, and is also you have two options in this belt: a branded buckle and a rusty buckle. Very designer look, very decent article, and is now available at Mender Leather Factory. If you want to go for formal belt and something you can wear with any pant or jeans or something that is a regular product, then this black leather belt is the right choice. In original cow skin, very decent belt with very fine finishing, and a regular buckle so that you can wear it anytime, any day. Then we also have this stylish suede leather belt. It's also in cow leather and the texture is called suede. A luxury product, a very classy soft product, and if you can notice here, the way it retains the pattern of my finger. It's very elegant and very luxury product with textured bolt and reddish golden shaded buckle. So these articles are now prepared by Mender Leather Factory for 2020 collection and are now available for orders. We are also taking online orders, and I assure you that you won't find any of these articles anywhere in the market. These are flagship products prepared only by Mender in real leather. And visit our outlet or place an order online and let us know about the products. Thank you.